So today we're going to be talking about how to prepare for an asylum interview. I'm going to be doing my skincare while I talk to you. So the Trump administration is making asylum interviews a priority. So a lot of people are getting notices after having filed an asylum application years ago. And today we're going to be talking about how to prepare for that interview. So how would you know that you have been scheduled for an interview? You would get a letter by regular mail from USCIS, or you will get a notice on your portal, on your online portal, that you have been called for an interview. That's how you would know. It is imperative, it is very, very important that you appear for that interview. If you try to reschedule, they may say that you are a no-show and just put you in removal proceedings. So do everything in your power to appear for that interview. Now, if you are not able to appear for the interview, you are ill, you're in the hospital, make sure that you get a representative, you can get an attorney, you can get a friend to see if they can go into the office to see if they can reschedule you. There is a process to reschedule, but at least try to protect your rights so that they do not put you in removal proceedings. How do you do that? You give immigration good cause to show that there was no way that you could have made that interview. So after you have received that notice, typically they give you about 45 days in the past to get a notice to prepare for your interview. These days, they're giving you about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks to prepare for your interview. So let's talk about preparing for the interview. This is where you have to show why you are afraid to go back to your home country. You have one shot at this, so please do it right. Your claim has to be based on one of 5 grounds: religion, race, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. It is not enough to say, oh, Ghana is hard, I was robbed. That is in itself is not a reason for the US to give you asylum. Think about it. People get robbed in Jersey, people get robbed in New York, people get robbed in Baltimore. So robbery, theft is not a good enough reason for you to get asylum. So you can add those things to support your claim, but your claim has to be based on those 5 things that I just said. Now, what do you need? Review your asylum application, that form I-589 that you filed. Look at it closely. And then prepare evidence to corroborate what you said in that story. What is corroboration? It is you getting statements from friends, family members, doctor, people to say that this thing that you have said, you have a reason to maybe fabricate in the eyes of USCIS because you want an asylum application to be approved, right? But people that know you can testify, and people that do not even know you, third parties, strangers, can say, yes, we know that this happened to Jane. We know that Jane was kidnapped because of her political opinion, and she was locked up, she was held without probable cause, she was arrested and she was not charged. Just things to show, if you have police reports, just things to corroborate that what you are saying is true and you're not just making this up because you want to get asylum in the United States. It is imperative. You only get one bite at the apple. If you have any questions or you need our help, elawrencelaw.com, 410-986-0088. I'll see you on the next video. Make it a great day.